In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check whether Smartsheet Dynamic View is included in your plan and decide if it's the right option for your needs. If you're trying to use Dynamic View in Smartsheet, the first thing to do is open the Smartsheet Dynamic View page or the pricing page on the official website. This gives you the most accurate and up-to-date information directly from Smartsheet. Since plan details can change over time, it's always better to verify from the source rather than relying on older articles or secondhand information. Once you're on the page, take a close look at whether Dynamic View is included in your current plan. This is important because not every Smartsheet subscription automatically comes with access to every feature. In some cases, Dynamic View may be bundled differently depending on the level of service your organization has purchased. As you review the plan and details, also check whether Dynamic View is listed as part of Smartsheet's advanced capabilities. This can help you understand why you may not see it available right away in your account. If it's treated as an advanced feature, that usually means it may require a higher tier package and add-on or separate licensing through your organization. If the website doesn't fully answer your question, the next step is to ask your Smartsheet admin whether your organization already has access. In many companies, access to features like Dynamic View is managed centrally. So even if the organization has purchased it, individual users may still need permission or setup from an admin before they can use it. Reaching out internally can save time and help you avoid unnecessary confusion. If you find that pricing is quote-based instead of clearly listed, then you'll want to contact Smartsheet sales. That usually means the cost depends on your organization's size, plan structure, or specific feature requirements. When pricing isn't shown publicly, the sales team can clarify what's included and what options are available. Before deciding, it's also a good idea to compare Dynamic View with regular sharing, reports, and filtered views. Those standard options may already cover what you need, especially if your goal is simply to organize information or control what people can see in a basic way. Dynamic View becomes especially useful when you need more controlled, role-based views for different users without exposing the full sheet. If your workflow requires that different people see only the information relevant to them, then Dynamic View is likely the better fit. And by checking your plan, confirming access, and comparing alternatives, you'll be in a much better position to choose the right setup.